Hello and welcome to another episode of Factful Fridays. Today we'll explore the functionalities of your vehicle's 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's begin by understanding the gear positions. P. Park. Locks the transmission when the vehicle is parked or when starting the engine. R. Reverse. Engage to reverse the vehicle from stop. N. Neutral. Use neutral for starting the engine if the engine stalls and you need to restart it while the vehicle is moving. D. Drive. Use drive mode for all normal driving. For additional power required during overtake, pressing the accelerator further triggers an automatic shifting gears down. As you continue to accelerate, it shifts back upwards. B. Braking. Provides engine braking when going down steep hills. M. Manual. In case you have manual option available, you can shift gears using shift paddle. L. Low. In case you have low option available, this keeps the car in a lower gear, providing more power at lower speeds. For safety, always ensure the ignition is on and your foot is on the brake pedal before shifting. Shifting from P to any other gear, press the knob and depress the brake pedal. Shifting from N to R, R to P and D to B, press the knob only. Shifting from R to N, N to D and B to D, no need to press the knob or brake, simply move the lever. And for your safety, there's the shift lock system. This feature electronically locks the gear lever in park and won't let you shift into drive or reverse unless your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. It's a simple, crucial step to prevent accidental vehicle movement. And that's it. We hope this walkthrough helps you understand your vehicle's transmission better. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. If you have any issues or need further assistance, please visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki service center. Stay tuned, stay informed.